Ayan, so lagay na natin yung sinulid. Dito lang siya. Lagay muna natin ito. Tsaka itong spring. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, so nag-lock na yan. Then, i-shoot natin itong sinulid dito sa butas. Next, pakita nyo yan. Yan yung pang-adjust. Next, sa ilalim, meron tayong makikita na, ayan, kita nyo naman yan. Susuot pa rin natin yung sinulid. Medyo mahirap kapag malabo na yung mata. So, ililipat ko lang muna siya. Para mas madali siyang... Ay, wait. Lalagay ko pa pala yan dito. Then, inilipat ko lang siya. Shoot natin siya dun sa nasa ilalim. Ayan. So, hindi kayo magkaintindihan itong ginagamit ko.
If you pry the pieces apart before attaching them, the problem goes away. But that is only a temporary solution, because even gently squeezing the machine makes the problem come back. However, by attaching another beam to the other end of the bricks, we're able to permanently keep the beams from flexing inwards, moving the ghost smoothly back and forth with 100% consistency. My Lego Ghost machine has a major
Ayan, so nakashoot na siya doon.
Hey, anyway, I'm really excited.
I was counting how many A's I got on my report card when my parents barged in. We got you a babysitter because we don't trust you. I stared at them in shock and was convinced that they had to be joking. I'm 16 and an honor student. What the hell are you talking about? My mom handed a college student named Kayla a list of house rules. Make sure she goes to bed by 10. No exceptions. I felt extremely angry because I was already the perfect child. I'd never even hit a geek bar before. That night, I looked out my window and saw my best friend Megan's sweet 16 party that I was supposed to go to. I felt heartbroken because we'd been planning her party for months, and now everyone was having fun without me. But at 8 p.m., my babysitter Kayla knocked on my door. I'm completely exhausted from finals, so I'm going to bed before your 10 p.m. sleep deadline. You should too. I was extremely